In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition boot on your Mazda 3 2.3 liter. It's located under the hood. I'm going to remove our cover by pulling up. Remove your connector. Set that aside. Now we're going to remove our grommet with a 15mm socket. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to take off this nut. Now you're going to pull up on your ignition coil. To remove, you just pull. It may come off in a couple pieces, that's okay. This is the important part. Now we're going to place our spring inside and feed the spring through and apply pressure to push it up. I'm going to put a little dielectric grease right there, not too much, just a little bit, and then insert it in. Make sure that your bolt hole is lined up with the coil. Apply pressure. Make sure it's seated properly, and then you're going to put your bolt back. Start it by hand. And now we're going to torque this to 6 foot-pounds. Connect your connector. Make sure you hear that click. Now we're going to hand thread this back on for our cover. Now we just hand tighten it with this socket. Now we can put our cover back on. Make sure your oil stick is where the opening is, and this cutout is for the cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.